Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to swipe or go back on an iPhone. This is especially helpful if you are new to iPhones, maybe switching from an Android device. As you know, iPhone don't have a dedicated back button like many Android phones. So here's how you can navigate back easily. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open an app like Settings. Then you can click on any options like click on General. Now if you want to go back, I have two options. Tap the back arrow in the left corner, or you can swipe the gesture. Just place your finger on the left edge of the screen and swipe it to the right. At first it may take little practice, but once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. This gesture also works in many apps like Safari. For example, if I visit a website like Apple's and navigate through pages, I can simply swipe from the left. Yeah, that's it, simple and easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.